engineer Wes Morley is advising Cybertruck owner not to put their vehicle through rough treatment. Despite Elon Musk's claims about the truck being extremely durable and bulletproof, recent times some people have been testing the truck toughness by using things like blowtorches, guns, and even sledgehammers on it. Some see the damage caused by these tests as a sign of pride. Some tests are done to mimic what's shown in ads. Others involve really extreme actions like kicking the truck. This type of behavior which comes from trusting the Musk claim makes people wonder if the truck is really tough and is said to be, and it deserves some serious thought. He said Cybertruck has lived a torture life for entertainment, jumped on, kicked, burned, beaten, and shot multiple times. So now we have confirmed is tough. Maybe Cybertruck can roam freely on and off road in a peace mode.